Starg, tell us about yourself. What's your name? What's your stage name also?
Okay, first of all, what about Africa? What about Nigeria? What about Lagos? It's your boy Starg Mmb, boss. I'm here with the Elegant Empire Management. It's a privilege and honor to be with you.
Thank you. So, tell me, what's your stage name? What's your real name? Sorry.
My name is Daniel Afromusic, Alexandra, Afromusic State.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah.
Abadie.
Yeah.
Oh! Alright, so welcome my brother. So tell me, what's your genre of music?
Yeah, I does in Afropop, Afrobeat. I'm a lover of hip hop, mainly hip hop, because I tend to break directly because in the Nigeria segment, the hip hop they're down. So it's an area that I want to tackle with Afro hip hop. Wow. So I want to take the Afro hip hop to another dimension.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
So we have Afro hip hop artists here, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so the next question for you now is, how long have you done Afro hip hop?
Afro hip hop, okay. How long? Yes. How well? Okay, I came into the game 2010. That is music, not Afro hip hop, music. Because Whiskey was one of the people that like, who is this guy Whiskey? But when Whiskey came to Cross River Calabar to perform, like all the girls when he was performing on stage, like the girls like, yeah, Whiskey. I said, what's this nigga, like this small boy? Like he was like motivating me. In less than 2 seconds, the next day I was on the road to Lagos, man, to chase my dream.
Wow,
I was in the road. If you're hearing the name Starg means Star God. So when you're Star Boy, Star God. So when people ask me about my Star God, I said, no, don't call me Star Boy, call me successor of Star God. So I'm a Star God. There's a difference between a boy and a God.
Yeah.
So you get where everything comes.
Yeah.
So I'm always on the money part. So when people see me on the street, like, who is this nigga? Is a boss, So money made boss. But I'm not arrived. But I'm always on the low. They'll be like, how is this boy's packaging his life? Like, what is going on? No, this boy's but until a very good day, I accepted that boss. I said, yeah, money was calling me, but I was running for money. But I said, okay, money was the one that made me boss. So money made boss. I was Star God, money made boss.
We have some creative guys here. I swear to God, man. This is another creative aspect. Whoa. All right. So, how did you meet Elegant Empire, and what was your first impression about us?
Okay, I have met yes online through this. So first of all, scam never before to me because I won't like me and myself is scam.
Oh. So nobody can actually scam you.
So I've been in the streets. I know what's up. I know I've scammed this. So when I just look at the Elegant Empire, I don't look things as professional. I look things as experience. The difference between profession and experience. So with my experience, I said this is a legit company that they are starting at. That they is what they call it business. They're about business.
Yes.
You understand? So Elegant got what they have, and an artist that haven't got what he has. It's business.
Definitely.
So when you have what is in you bring it on. Then they have what you got to take. It's business. You come together. So you give them what they want. You give them what they want.
Definitely.
And watch what it takes. So when I just started, in Facebook, I like to say, okay. I said, okay, wow, good day, boss. I don't know if you record the chat. I say, wow, I see Elegant in the next picture, topping the world. Because when I just record the name, Elegant Empire, I say, wow, how does this company just got out of this Elegant and Empire? Elegant is a mighty name. Empire dominating the world. I said, wow, this will be a great achievement for me. Because it's a little beginning, no underrate your little beginning before you start. So I just went through the Facebook, I followed up, I said, yeah, let me reach the end. I just want to see the end of the race.
Wow. So another artist who didn't see us as scammers but saw us as a growing company who, of course, if he comes in, his talent and his skills will actually help us to get into limelight. As we are pushing him to limelight, we also will get into limelight. I really appreciate you, Starg, for having such an impression about us. So, how do you see Elegant Empire now? And what can you tell the viewers about us in just a few sentences?
How I see Elegant now, I see Elegant as a starting point, talking the world, taking the world.
Beautiful. Wow. Wow. So what can you tell your viewers right now about us?
Because it's been a great privilege for me to be among the contestants of Elegant Empire Management, and it's an experience for me because Elegant has made an open door for me for great achievement, and it's a starting point.
Beautiful.
So I see Elegant as greatness. I want it to greatness.
Beautiful.
Greatness.
Thank you. Thank you. Tell me, where do you see yourself in the next 5 years? And tell us what your expectation is from us as a management.
Myself in the next 5 years. My colleague will say next 5 years later. I'll say in the next 5 years topping the world, conquering the world. Because if I say in the next 5 years, 10 years, I'm not started music. I'm just arrived, I'm just coming up. Because when the music is in you have to keep fire for it.
Till forever.
So it's a fire music world I'm going into. So what I need from the Elegant Empire is the discipline and motivation. Because I know I won't remain with Elegant forever. Because one day I'm going to stand out there on my own.
Definitely.
As a boss.
Definitely.
So I'll need a strong backup. Not just an investment, because if you have a strong backup, there is no how you won't be at the top of the sky.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Welcome. All right. So, what is your word of encouragement to all upcoming artists out there? And your word of encouragement. And then tell us how we can contact you. Tell us your word of encouragement. I'm joining the two questions at the same time. Your word of encouragement to all upcoming artists. Tell us your last word for your fans, and tell us how we can contact you.
My word of encouragement for my fans is never bow down. Always look up, and the sun shall shine. The rain shall fall on the ground, and your ground shall be wet. That is it. That's what I will do.
Alright, so what's your word for your fans watching you?
What about Africa? What of Nigeria? Because my viewers and my fans out there, my word of encouragement is never give up in life. Just be focused and consistent. That consistency is very, very important. Consistency consists of determination, going for God and vision. If you don't visualize, it's just like when you plant a tree and you don't water and you don't grow it. Because that tree, that mango tree, will take like 5 years, 10 years for it to bear a fruit. And that fruit will come for harvest. So where you have a harvest and you shall push through and you'll be able to enjoy the fruit of your labor. So
tell us how we can contact you.
Okay, on my Facebook page is African Starg Mmb. On my Instagram is Starg Mmb, TikTok Starg Mmb, Twitter Starg Mmb. I really appreciate you guys following me up.
Awesome. It's nice to have you today.
Pleasure.
I'm super excited to see you.
Same.
Thank you so much for coming around. Remember.